If you're over 45 and you've noticed that your eyes don't adjust to darkness like they used to, that reading small print feels harder at night, or that names and words slip away, more often you are not alone. And more importantly, you are not out of options. What if one little-known fruit rarely talked about on YouTube could quietly support your vision and memory while you sleep, not through hype, not through supplements, but by working with your body's natural nighttime repair system? Most seniors are told that vision loss and memory decline are normal aging. But science shows something different. Much of what we experience after 45 comes from oxidative damage, weak blood flow, and nighttime inflammation in the brain and eyes. Here's the part many people never hear. Your eyes and brain do their deepest repair at night. During sleep, damaged cells are restored, waste is cleared from the brain, and tiny blood vessels relax to deliver nutrients. This means what you eat in the evening can either support repair or quietly block it. And that brings us to the first fruit most seniors have never tried. Aronia berries, also known as chokeberries, are small, dark, purple fruits with one of the highest antioxidant levels ever recorded in nature, significantly higher than blueberries, cranberries, or grapes. In fact, aronia berries contain extraordinarily high levels of anthocyanins and polyphenols, compounds shown to protect the retina, optic nerve, and memory centers of the brain. Why does this matter for seniors? As we age, the tiny blood vessels that feed our eyes and brain become fragile. Oxygen delivery slows, inflammation builds. This leads to blurry vision, poor night vision, brain fog, and forgetfulness. Aronia berries help counter this process by improving microcirculation, especially during rest and sleep. Researchers studying older adults have found that aronia compounds help reduce oxidative stress in retinal cells, support blood flow to the optic nerve, improve cognitive processing and memory recall, calm inflammation linked to age-related decline. And unlike sugary fruits, aronia berries have a very low glycemic impact, making them safe for most seniors, even those concerned about blood sugar. Now let's talk vision. Your retina is constantly exposed to light, which creates free radicals. Over time, this damages photoreceptors and reduces contrast sensitivity and night vision. Anthocyanins in aronia berries help protect these delicate retinal cells and support rhodopsin, the visual pigment essential for seeing in low light. This is why seniors who consume anthocyanin-rich fruits often report less glare at night, clearer morning vision, reduced eye fatigue, better contrast when reading. Memory benefits are just as important. Aronia berries support the hippocampus, the brain's memory hub, by improving communication between neurons and reducing inflammation that interferes with recall. Many seniors don't realize that memory loss isn't always about losing brain cells. Often, it's about poor signaling and inflammation. Aronia helps address both. But here's the secret most people miss. These berries work best in the evening. Why? Because during deep sleep, the brain's waste-clearing system becomes active. This system flushes out proteins that contribute to brain fog and cognitive decline. Aronia's antioxidants support this process, making nighttime repair more efficient. So how should seniors use aronia berries? The ideal amount is 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried aronia berries, or 1/2 cup of unsweetened aronia juice, taken 1 to 2 hours before bed. Because aronia berries are naturally tart, many seniors prefer them mixed with plain yogurt, warm almond milk, oatmeal in the evening, or soaked briefly to soften texture. Avoid sweetened versions. Added sugar cancels many benefits. If you have diabetes, aronia berries are one of the safest options due to their low sugar content, and some seniors even report better morning glucose stability. This is not an overnight miracle. This is night-by-night repair. Now let's talk about why aronia berries are especially powerful after age 60. As we get older, blood vessels lose flexibility. This reduces oxygen delivery to the eyes and brain, particularly at night. Poor circulation is one of the biggest hidden causes of memory decline and vision problems in seniors. Aronia berries help by improving endothelial function, which allows blood vessels to relax and widen more effectively. This means better circulation during sleep, when repair matters most. Improved nighttime circulation leads to better oxygen delivery to The retina, stronger nourishment of optic nerve fibers, enhanced brain cell repair, faster removal of inflammatory waste. This is why consistency matters more than quantity. Seniors who consume small amounts of aronia berries most nights see better results than those who take large amounts occasionally. Most studies suggest noticeable cognitive and circulation benefits after 6 to 8 weeks of regular intake. Vision comfort improvements, such as reduced dryness and glare, often appear sooner. Now let's talk about mistakes. The biggest mistake is expecting instant results. This fruit supports repair, not stimulation. The body needs time to rebuild. Another mistake is consuming aronia berries with heavy desserts or alcohol at night. These interfere with sleep cycles and block the repair process. Keep your evenings calm, light meals, minimal sugar, consistent sleep time. Another mistake is taking aronia berries too late. Eating them right before bed may cause mild digestive discomfort in some seniors. Always aim for 1 to 2 hours before sleep. Who should be cautious? If you're taking blood-thinning medication, aronia berries may enhance circulation slightly. Moderate intake is generally safe, but always inform your healthcare provider. If you have a sensitive stomach, start with small amounts and increase gradually. Now here's the encouraging part. It is never too late to support your brain and eyes. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt, continues well into older age. The eyes can still be nourished. Blood vessels can still respond to healthier signals. But your body needs the right tools. Aronia berries don't replace medical treatment, but they work with your body's natural nighttime repair systems, which is exactly what aging eyes and brains need. Many seniors who adopt this simple habit report clearer vision upon waking, fewer memory lapses, better focus while reading, reduced eye discomfort at night, greater mental sharpness in the morning. Small changes, steady progress, real results. So tonight, instead of reaching for processed snacks, consider giving your body something it rarely gets, but deeply needs. Because while you sleep, your body is repairing, and when you nourish it correctly, it responds. If this helped you, subscribe to Senior Health today for more doctor-style, senior-safe strategies to protect your vision, memory, and independence naturally. Your eyes, your mind, your future. Many seniors spend years searching for complicated answers, when sometimes the most powerful support comes from simple, natural choices made consistently. Your eyes and brain are not broken. They are often just undernourished and overworked. When you give your body the right signals at night, it remembers how to repair itself. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about protecting clarity, independence, and confidence as you age. Small nightly habits quietly shape how well you see, think, and remember tomorrow morning. And the best part is, this routine doesn't demand perfection, only consistency. Start gently, stay patient, let your body do what it was designed to do. Because aging doesn't have to mean fading vision or fading memories. Sometimes it simply means learning what your body needs, and finally giving it that chance.